Good morning. Welcome to Instrumental Music this week. This week we're going to play number 110, Slurring Along on page 29. So first I will play it for you. All right, so you probably noticed something a little different about how I played that. I was playing two notes for every down bow or up bow, except for at the end when I played the half notes and the dot half note that were long notes. So that is called slurring. In your book, you'll see that it says slur right here. Has a little picture, and it says, a slur is a curved line that connects two or more different pitches. Play slurred notes together in the same bow stroke. So you might be thinking, hey, wait a minute, look up above. We just played a tie, and I know that the little curved line connecting the notes adds them together. Let's take a look at that. So here we've got an example of a tie and an example of a slur. Ties, as a little review from last week, ties are when we have two of the same note. So we've got, for this is a violin, okay? For violin, it'd be D, D, two Ds, and they've got the curved line. Since they're both D, it's a tie. Remember that ties mean that you hold the note out for the combined length of these two notes. In other words, it's a plus sign. It's like a little plus sign, so we add them together. 1 beat plus 1 beat equals 2 beats, so we'd hold it out 1, 2, okay? Now here's our slur. A slur might look the same because it's this curved line, but take a look at these notes. We've got a D and an E. Because they're different notes, they are a slur. So it's still going to be a long bow stroke, but instead of combining them to make a long note, you're just going to be moving your finger between these two notes. Now, for violin, viola, and cello, we use the same fingerings for D and E. D is 0 fingers on the D string, and E is 1 finger on the D string. Okay, so 0, 1. Okay, so what you're going to do is as you move your bow, you move it across 0, 1, and you add that finger while you're still moving it. So let's see. Can you see my fingers? Okay. Watch carefully. So I added this finger. I put it down while I was moving the bow. Let's watch again. Okay. That's a slur. So when you look through your part, you'll see that in number 110, we play just that. We play D, E, and then rest, rest. Then we go to F sharp. So that's 2 fingers for violin and viola and 3 fingers for cello. And we play from the F sharp to the E. So it'll look like this. See how I lifted my finger? I'll show you again. While I moved my bow up, okay? Let's see what that looks like for the first 2 measures. Rest, and I keep my bow there. Add my second finger. Rest, rest. Okay? Now, look in the, let's see, measure 5 and 6. Those are the measures that have 4 quarter notes in each measure. Okay? So that means you're going to do the exact same thing, but you're not going to take a break in between. So it'll look like this. Starting on D, no fingers. down, up. Okay? Another thing that's in your music that can help you a lot is that we've got bow markings for all of our notes. So you have a down, so it shows you that this is all down bow. This is the up bow. Down bow, up bow, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay? Follow those bowings and that will really help you. Okay? All right. Now we're going to go through the notes for each instrument. Violin, then viola, then cello. Okay? Start at the beginning. D, rest, rest. F sharp, E, rest, rest. D, rest, rest. F sharp, E, rest, rest. D, E, F sharp, E, D, E, F sharp, E, D, F sharp, D. And remember, this dotted half note D is 3 beats. Okay, viola. D, rest, rest. F sharp, E, rest, rest. D, E, rest, rest. F sharp, E, rest, rest. D, E, F sharp, E, D, F sharp, E, D, F sharp, D. And cello. D, E, rest, rest. E, oh, oops, wrong one. Sorry, I started in place. So it starts with D, rest, rest. F sharp, E, rest, rest. D, rest, rest. F sharp, E, rest, rest. D, F sharp, E, D, E, F sharp, E, D, F sharp, D. Okay. One final thing to note is that all of your notes are on the D string for this song. For violins and violas, you're just going between 0, 1, and then 2, 1. For cello, it's 0, 1 to 3, 1. That's it. If you're struggling with this, just do the first 4 measures. If you want to, you can do the whole song. Okay? Let me know if you have any questions. As always, I'm going to play it for you one more time. Rest, rest. Rest, rest. Rest, rest. Rest, rest. Good. Sounds like my rosin or my bow needs rosin. Remember to rosin your bows, guys. Otherwise, it will start to sound kind of funky. Okay? Have a good week. I hope you have fun, enjoy, and I will see you soon.